adding some automation to casting the spell Bless. This is for the player who controls Algae here, who is a paladin. There are 3 modules you'll need to make it look like this. I'm not going to go into these modules in detail. There are much better guides on YouTube and elsewhere. I'm just telling you what I've used to make it work like this. So the first one is Token Action HUD, or HUD, which gives you these drop-down menus, which is a quick way to access your character sheet. The second one, if I look at my modules list, is the Combat Utility Belts. Specifically, if you look at the right side over here, we're going to use the Condition Lab. So Condition Lab allows you to apply conditions on top of a token, for example, Bless or Exhaustion or something like that, or Concentration. And the final one is Dynamic Active Effects, or DAE, which will take that condition and make something happen to the game itself. Alright, again, not going into any detail. This is just how Bless will work now for Algae. I'm in the Game Master view. I'm going to hop over to the player view so we can see it from Algae's perspective. Alright, so Algae casts the spell Bless. Yes, consume a spell slot. Yes, cast it at first level. He cast the spell. We see he has cast Bless in chat, and also he is now concentrating on the spell, which is in active. A status effect for Algae. If we also now right-click on Algae, or my own token if I'm the player, and assign the Blessed status effect, I will see that I have the condition Blessed. Now, if I make an attack roll or a saving throw, I should have a 1d4 added automatically to the roll. Let's see how that works. So let's go back to Algae again, and let's make an attack. There we go. Now, ordinarily, without this automation, you have to key in 1d4 every time you roll. With this, it should just do it automatically. So let's try that. So roll. And yes, we have the d20 and the d4 rolled together. You can see Algae rolled a 10 on the d20. He rolled a 2 on the d4. Add 4 for his strength and 2 for his proficiency bonus. You get a total of 18. Now, will it work for saving throws? Let's try. So let's say Algae needs to make a wisdom save. Yes. D20 and D4 rolled together for a total of 7. Okay, so that's a quick video on the automation that we've added to Algae for the spell Bless.